something that's new, and it seems really, really hard to do. You feel like quitting, you feel you're through. Well, I have some advice for you. Don't give up, keep on trying. You're gonna make it, I ain't lying. Don't give up, don't ever quit. Try.
Pleasant day to everyone. My name is Carlin Sharp, and today I will be presenting on my didactic tool that I have selected to cater for children with different exceptionalities, and of course to help students learn the basic concept of tens and ones. And as you all can see, all the resources that I have selected is resources that I have selected from home, which includes cardboard boxes, also includes toilet roll. I also use covers, bottle covers, and I engraved them with dal. These are to help children with different exceptionalities to learn the basic concept of tens and ones, and all the information will be listed on my pamphlet, so you can feel free to check my pamphlet out after this video. You can see all the rest of information. Thank you very much. Good morning, students. How are you all doing this morning? I know you're probably wondering, why is Miss holding the letter T and O? Well, in mathematics, T represents the word 10 and O represents the word ones. Now, how can we use the word tens and ones? Come on, let's show you how we can use this. So students, so you all remember I just explained that T represents the word 10 and O represents the word ones. But how can we use tens and ones? Let's look at our chart. We have tens and ones. So there are two columns with tens and ones. So let's count together, students. Count with Miss. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. But oh my gosh, what do we do from there? There's 9. After 9, there is 10. So we add 1 under the tens column, and we start again under the ones column, and we add 0. So now we have 1 and 0, which is tens. Now let's do an example so you all can understand it a little much better. Okay, students, so I have some pens and I would like to give them out to you all. But I don't know if I have enough to give out to all of you. So let's count with Miss to see how many pens do Miss have in total. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But wait a minute. This is tens. So I have one group of tens. But there's an extra pen. What do I do with this extra pen? Does anyone know what we have to do with this extra pen? Now, this is 10 and this is 1 extra. So we have one group of tens. So let's see how we can put this on this piece of paper. So we have one group of tens and we have 1 extra pen. So how do we put this here? T represents the word tens and O represents the word ones. So students, how many groups of tens do we have? 1. Very good. And how many extra pens do we have? 1. Very good. So now we have 1 tens and 1 ones. So what number comes after 10? Very good. It's 11. So we have 1 tens and we have 1 ones. So how many do we have in total? 11. Very good. Very good. Okay, students, so I hope that you had fun today learning about tens and ones. Now there's a lot of tools and counters here for you all to play with. So you all can feel free to come and use all these things to play with. and we will learn about tens and ones by telling a story for our next class. Yay!
Something that's new, and it seems really, really hard to do. You feel like quitting, you feel you're through. Well, I have some advice for you. Don't give up, keep on trying. You're gonna make it. I ain't lying. Don't give up, don't ever quit.